Hello from Slovenia again. First of all, I want to show you dry results of these 3D look flowers, because I will varnish them later because they are sold already. See, there are no cracks. They shine beautifully, and they will shine even more when I will varnish them. Just see that I didn't add paint here, so I just have to fix this because I will do a flower dip again, but this time I will do a spiral, and I mixed this pearl medium in one of my paints. This is Prussian blue and some I think phtalocyan mixed in, and this pearl medium. And I will do blue spiral. I just don't know where I want to start. Just a second. I will just go for it. This was Prussian blue, and this is metallic gray blue. I will try to add it like this because I don't have it in my squeeze bottle, so I hope that it will you see, it's much more difficult to do it without. I definitely add too much here. I will just do another layer of this Prussian blue, and I here didn't do it okay. And next will be cerulean blue. And this pearl. And some windsor blue. and some silver. Or just do it. And maybe I want to do this Prussian blue like this, because I don't know, just add a little more. And I just think that I will try to add a little bit of this Naples yellow in the middle. I don't know what will came out of this. I didn't put any paint on the canvas, so it's dry canvas, blank, or I don't know which word is the right word, but you know what I mean. I didn't add any base coat on this on the canvas, just on the surface. And let's try to leave this as evenly as we can. And I think that I didn't press it okay, but I like this result very much. It's like hydranea flower, or I think that this is the right name. Maybe without this yellow in the middle, but I like it anyway. Wow. I think that it's gorgeous, or a rose. I don't know. I just want to see what is here. This is beautiful too, so yay! Definitely something that I will do again, because it's just beautiful shape of a flower. This will be gorgeous for the skin too, so just try to, wow. I don't often say this, but I really like this. This was short one, but sweet. I will take you for a close-up. So this is our canvas, and I just have to show you these gorgeous details. I just love it. just a second. Maybe I will do this. It is a little less bright lighting, but I just want to show it to you without a glare, because you see all these beautiful layers around. Wow. And this is what it left on the surface, and it will be a beautiful skin. I think it's gorgeous. But this canvas is, I think that this one is my favorite flower dip. I can't wait to do it with some other colors, but these metallics give this shape too. I don't know if this will look the same without the metallic paint. I think not. We can try this too, but I just think that metallics here do this lacing too, and create this effect of petals, and I think that it's just gorgeous. Wow! So sometimes magic happen. I hope that you can get something magical too. Please tell me what you think, subscribe if you didn't yet, and see you on the next one. Bye!